In this video, I'm going to walk you through two simple methods to reset your Vizio TV. Whether you have a remote control or not, we've got you covered. If you've ever encountered issues with your TV settings or just want to give it a fresh start, these methods will do the trick. So, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to perform a soft reset and even reset your Vizio TV without a remote. Let's get started. Soft reset. First, let's start with the soft reset method, which can help refresh your TV's settings and resolve minor issues. Here's what you need to do. Using your TV remote or the physical power button on the TV, turn off the Vizio TV. Wait for a few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds. Now turn the Vizio TV back on using the remote or the physical power button. And there you have it. A soft reset for your Vizio TV is as easy as that. It should refresh your TV's settings without affecting your saved data. Factory reset with remote. Next, let's talk about how to perform a factory reset using your Vizio TV remote control. Follow these steps. Depending on your specific Vizio TV model, access the factory reset option through one of these menus. Menu, then admin and privacy, then reset to factory settings. Menu, then system, then admin and privacy, then reset to factory settings. Or menu, then all settings, then admin and privacy, and then reset to factory settings. If you've set a system PIN code or parental control code, you'll be prompted to enter it now. The default parental control code is usually 40 unless you've changed it. After entering the PIN, if necessary, the TV will display a message asking you to select Reset to restore all TV settings to factory defaults. Press the OK or Enter button on your remote to confirm and initiate the factory reset process. Your Vizio TV will ask you to re-enter the parental control code one more time if applicable. Wait for the TV to turn off. This may take a moment. The TV will automatically turn back on shortly afterward, and the initial setup process will begin. Factory reset without remote. Now, what if you don't have a remote control? No worries, you can still perform a factory reset. Here's how. Start with your Vizio Smart TV turned on. Locate the physical buttons on the side or back of the TV, usually power, volume down, volume up, and input touch source. While keeping the TV powered on, press and hold both the volume down button and the input or source button simultaneously. Hold them down at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until you see a message appear on the TV screen, prompting you to proceed further. Once you see the message, release both buttons. Now press and hold only the input or source button for about 10 seconds or until you see another message appear. Continue holding the input button until you see a message confirming that the memory is cleared. The display will indicate that the TV is resetting shortly. Wait for about a minute as the TV goes through the reset process. It may turn off and then back on during this time. Finally, your TV should display a Welcome to Vizio SmartCast message, indicating that it has been reset to factory defaults. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your TV as if it were brand new, selecting your language and other initial settings. By the way, if you have a specific Vizio TV model and need a detailed reset guide tailored to your TV, check out the description below. We've provided links to specific model guides to make the process even easier. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.